Hello everyone, this is my scooter, Turboant folding electric scooter X7. I'm very happy with this purchase because it has all the features I needed. This is a power on off button on this orange throttle. The other button is for front light. That is an LED light. You can press the button 2 times and the light turns on. The same for turning off. And the throttle is you have to press it down, and here you go. The LED light is very helpful when driving at night. It's helping me especially in the nighttime conditions. And it has got an LCD. You can see it's displaying my speed in kilometers per hour, I think. It has a maximum speed of 19.9 miles per hour. That is around 21, 22 in this range. When I was going at highest speeds, that was in kilometers per hour. It has got a powerful motor that is listed here as 350 watts. I can experience its power when I'm riding this electric scooter, and it really is working whenever especially you are going at a slant or at an angle on a height. The front of this bike is looking beautiful. It has got a brake handle on the left side of the shaft handlebar. It goes all the way down there. You can see the wire in red, and then it's for the rear end wheel. It's a disc brake that works very good. This is the deck of this scooter, or the platform where you keep your feet. And these are 2 handlebars. They are very good in grip, even if you have sweaty hands. The shaft of this bike is sturdy, made of very durable material. This is the charging port. It has got water resistant or waterproof lid, and then is the removable battery in this shaft. You can press this button and very easily opens. Anti-clockwise rotation of this cap gives you access to its battery, and there is a ribbon. You pull it out, and then you can also charge it at home. This is LCD, as I told you. This is a display. It displays your current speed, battery, charging state, and other settings. And this is the ring, or you can say you tell the people that I'm coming at high speeds, be careful. This is the LED light on the front, the headlight I showed you. And then what else this has? This is the locking mechanism for the shaft. It helps you to fold and unfold this electric scooter whenever I'm on a commute. And then these are the tires. These are tubeless 8.5 inches pneumatic anti-slip pattern profile tires. And this is splash guard on the front and also on the back. And in white you can see, I just showed you were the safety stickers on the front. These are the red ones on the back, and they were white on the front. And this is the rear brake light. When you apply the brake, it flashes. This is splash guard. You can see, you can also press it to apply the brakes with your foot. And it has a locking mechanism for the shaft. I'm just showing you. And then this is the locking mechanism on the front. This is a kickstand. Very easy to use it just with your foot or fingers. And then this is the locking mechanism for the shaft. If you press it down, this locking system comes out and it's unlocked, and then you just apply your foot pressure there, and then you see here we go. Yeah, it locks in on the rear splash guard, and you can hold your bike very easily. I just saw online you can also buy a strap for your shoulder to carry this bike. So overall, this electric scooter is very elegant and compact, and it helps for little commutes. It has a range of 15.5 miles, and on a single charge. I just charge it on overnight, and then whenever I have to go outside on small commutes, then I take this Scooty out. And it has got in the box instructions manual for X7, a warranty card, and this Scooty as a whole in one single piece. There is little assembly required, only one step assembly required. I will go and review what you need. This is charging adapter. This is LED light indicator on this adapter. I will show you later on. This is the hex screw, and we need it to fix this brake handle on the handlebar. Here is the screw. You need this screwdriver to fix it over here, and that's it. And the handlebars, you just have to rotate them clockwise and anti-clockwise to see, just to fix it in the handlebar, and nothing else is required to assemble this bike. And I showed you earlier, this is the charging port. We can also charge the battery because it's a replaceable battery. It fits in this shaft of the bike or the scooter, and I'm really impressed with the working of this Scooty, because it has got a cruise control. Cruise control is just hold the throttle for 6 seconds while moving. It locks in your speed, and when I apply the brakes or touch the throttle back, and the cruise control disengages, and it also shows here on the LCD the current settings. Here is how you charge your electric scooter. You see this red light when it is being charged, and green when it's fully charged. Thank you so much.